Hey everybody, it's Doug Schuline from Doug Schuline Fitness EDU. Also, I'm inside my gym, Laguna Health Club. I'm just gonna do we're doing a phase one of the renovation so that we can reopen whenever that comes. So I thought I would sort of track it and show you what we're doing. Feel free to share, let me know what you're doing in your facilities, or if any of your, if you're a studio owner, or if your owners have questions about what other people are doing. I'd love to help. So in the front of our gym, we normally have 9 pieces of equipment. And what we're doing now is we're pulling back. We're gonna have 2 treadmills in front and 1 elliptical. And I'll walk back this way so you can see. And then we're actually going to be taking out these pieces of equipment back here. We sort of have to choose what we wanna keep and what we need to get out. I was thinking I was just gonna tape it off and not have people use it, but that's not gonna work. We're a small facility. We have 2,100 feet, and so I can't do that. I actually have to take stuff out. So I've moved some pieces back, and so you can see our spacing, 6 feet. And then once we take out these 2 pieces over here that are taped, we'll move over to the wall so we can actually create better spacing. So hopefully, that actually allows us to get 6 people on cardio in the front, and I'm gonna take our spin bike, I'm gonna put it in the back corner. So we'll have room for 7 people to do cardio in the small space, which is great. And then what we're debating on, and we still have to, sorry, my hand is getting in the way as I'm trying to walk with you. So back over here, we've decided, at least temporarily, that we're gonna take out our mini crossover and the hyperextension. So what that's gonna give us the ability to change our dumbbell rack setup so that we can create separation with that. We're either going to put, back where those are now, put a dumbbell rack over here with 2 benches, 6 feet apart, and then do the same thing somewhere over here, either in this corner or right here, so we can create separation all the way around. So far it seems to be making good sense. I won't know till I actually put it up there. And then you can see behind me in our section back here, that's gonna be the challenging space. Maybe we can allow 3 people to be back there. We'll put circles on the ground, limiting who can be back here. But this is, for a small spot, this is our functional area. TRX, back in the corners where I'm gonna put another piece of cardio so we can get that 7th piece. And then we have our large cable crossover back here. So back here, we're gonna have to limit it to probably 3 people. So we'll see, but if that gives us the ability to do 7 people in front on cardio, 5 to 7 people throughout the space. We're planning on 10, we're advertising at 10 only. We'll run a test and we'll see as to how many people we can actually get in at one time and still have the spacing. So I'm gonna keep posting it as we make the changes when we take the equipment out. And I welcome your input too. So for those of you that are going through the same adjustments as us, or you have a bigger space and you're just gonna tape off the equipment, I would like to see that too. So feel free to send me some pictures or do a video as well. My next one, I'm actually not gonna be talking on it. I'll be behind the camera so you get a clearer shot. Just wanna sort of let people in Laguna as well know what we're doing. And then obviously gym owners as well. I always like to help. So anything that I can do to make your life easier with my experience or what I'm going through, I'm here to help. So reach out to me, make some comments on the video, please. And then, like I said, I'll do another video once we get the equipment out, and I'll do it with where I'm behind the camera so you can get a better idea of our design. And we'll go from there. I wish you all a lot of luck. I'm here to support any way I can. Reach out and stay healthy. Talk to you soon.